This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make curry powder using an easy method. First, you will gather a few essential whole spices. Next, we will gently toast these spices to unlock their incredible aromas and deepen their flavors. After toasting, we will grind them into a beautiful, fine powder. Finally, I will explain how to properly store your homemade curry powder to keep it fresh and potent for many months, ready for your next delicious meal. Let's get started. To begin, let's gather our essential spices. You will need 4 tablespoons of whole coriander seeds, which form the aromatic base of our blend. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, providing a warm, earthy note. For a subtle kick, include 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns. Finally, we will incorporate 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, which gives curry its characteristic golden color and adds a wonderful, slightly bitter flavor. These simple ingredients are all you need. Now, let's toast and grind our spices. Place your whole spices, excluding the ground turmeric, into a dry pan over medium heat. Toast them gently for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly to prevent burning. You will notice a fragrant aroma filling your kitchen. Once toasted, remove them from the heat and allow them to cool completely. This step is crucial for a smooth grind. Then, transfer the cooled spices to a spice grinder and process until you achieve a very fine, consistent powder. This ensures a perfect blend. Once your curry powder is freshly made, proper storage is key to maintaining its vibrant flavor. Transfer your homemade blend into an airtight jar or container. Store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat, to preserve its potency. When stored correctly, your curry powder will remain wonderfully fresh and aromatic for up to 6 months. You can use 1 to 2 tablespoons in your favorite curry dishes, adding incredible depth and authentic flavor to your cooking. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.